What's up everyone, Xavier Cormier here. Today I partnered with the Lset Hold gym to give you guys a 8-minute core workout based on my favorite calisthenics exercise so that you can get a strong and shredded six-pack for this summer. The workout is going to be pretty simple. It's going to be 40-second on, 20-second off of interval, and we're going to go for 8 exercises back to back. Most of the exercises are going to be completed on the Lset Hold gym, but we're also going to be using the floor a little bit for some more easier variation of exercise. So let's not waste any more time. Follow along this workout to get a crazy six-pack abs for this summer, and hopefully you're going to be able to complete it. The first exercise is going to be the Lset Hold. We're going to try to hold this skill for as long as possible. If not, we're going to go for some raises, so you can go for any progression that suits your level, from tuck to single leg or a full L-sit. The second exercise is going to be toes to bar. If you're not able to perform this exercise all the way up, just try to bring your knees as close to your chest as possible, and over time, try to bring your feet all the way up towards the bar. The third exercise is going to be alternated side leg raise. Try to go as slow as possible. If it gets too hard, you can increase the pace or simply go for a progression that is easier, like the alternated knees raise. The fourth exercise is the tuck hold. Try to maintain this position for as long as possible. If it's too hard, you can go for alternated knees hold or simply some knees raise. The fifth exercise is a tuck knee side raise. Try to really squeeze your core and bring your feet as high as possible on each side. The sixth exercise is the side to side, aka scissors. If it's too hard to bring your legs and cross them each other in a L-sit position, simply hold a tuck position and go in and out with your knees.
Now we're gonna reduce the intensity. We're gonna go on the floor for some hollow body hold. We're really gonna try to keep our legs and our upper body above the floor and engage our core as much as possible. And the last exercise is the plank on the floor. Try to keep a straight line and really engage your core and keep your arm fully straight. If it's too hard, you can go for an easier variation like the elbow plank.
So that's it for the 8-minute core workout based on my favorite exercise. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, let us know down in the comment. And if you have any question about the exercise we just went over, let me know as well, and I'm gonna try to help you guys out. Don't forget that every exercise can be taken to an easier level, so you can go for some easier progression so that eventually you can complete the full workout like I just did. Thank you guys once again for watching. If you're interested in getting yourself a fit home gym, click the link under the description. You're gonna be able to get yours at a discounted price. Thank you once again for watching, and until next one, peace out.